Sadly, not much finds today. This is going straight to the personal. I was actually talking about how I wanted like a zip hoodie, and you guys saw I found the Harley Davidson. Well, now I found this camo. You guys know I love camo. Super sick. So I was definitely adding that to the personal. Then I found a bunch of these brand new Marlins tags, property of Florida Marlins. They're all brand new, so I figured you might as well get it. I got 3 of them, even though they're new age, but they're $2.50, so for $1.25, might as well grab them. These shirts, I have no idea what they are. Seem like they were like NASCAR printed, but I've never seen it before. Super sick. It's like a collared shirt, but it might be nothing too. I have to look them up. DHL, and they have another one right here. Another DHL one, like DHL jerseys. Found the Hundreds crew neck, just a plain crew neck. Has a flannel built in, so it's like super warm. And then this, I have no idea what this is, but it's like the Gap, and the embroidery on it was crazy. So I thought it was just super sick. Hawaii. Sadly, we didn't find nothing crazy. Like I said, I just showed you guys the hoodie, the camo hoodie for myself, the couple t-shirts, and then those DHL racing jerseys. I couldn't find anything on them, but I picked it up. They were like $1. I spent $14 and everything, so it was everything. It was good. But for the title and everything, yo, so I pulled up and I see this. I'm like, what the hell? Like, did looters go in or what's going on? Because you see this, and look, it's just a cardboard thing, right? And it says, please enter through the back. And you're like, okay, did like people riot and like went through Salvation Army and stole everything? But I guess what happened was somebody was parked here and they backed into it. So I guess maybe they thought they were in drive, but they put in reversed, floored it, and then backed into it. So I wonder, I mean, I imagine they have to pay for it, but I wonder how much that costs to repair the window of Salvation Army. That's insane. Let's quickly head up the next one, and then after we're gonna go to Plato's Closet, see if there's anything sitting. I did sell that Babe jacket, so huge shout out to you. We ended up selling it for $180, so nice profit right there. We only spent $20 on it. So I'm hoping maybe we find some nice things, maybe we don't. But yeah, let's just continue my day, and then I do have to head back home and continue packing and started selling because, you know, I'm trying to move and we gotta get this grind going. So these are the finds of today. I saw someone else with a full cart of stuff that looks like stuff I would buy, but I just love this corduroy pink St. Thomas hat. It has some dirt on it, but I feel like it's just top dirt. You can easily take that out. We found a few Unknown shirts, which Unknown is actually LeBron's store in Miami. So we have this Champion one with the Unknown back. We found this Old School on the Tennessee River, the Red Dog shirt with the huge logo on the back. We found this Majestic USA Staten jersey. Staten, whatever you want to call it. This was the other Unknown 305 with like the soccer logo. That was kind of cool. We found this one, Mitchell and Ness, with the Just Dawn Paris. Little back hit. Found this Old School BBC Billionaire Boys Club. Has a little brain right there. Then on the back it says Wealth Club. Has a little Billionaire Boys Club side hit. And last but not least, another Unknown shirt. Probably bundle up all the Unknown shirts. GS Blazers, 25 bucks, size 5.5. Brand new with tags. We just found this Majestic Phillies jersey. Seems like it's not authentic though. Harper, they want $14. Just looks like it's peeling. But maybe it's like that, I don't know. Mitchell and Ness, Miami Heat. Little like jersey, 10 bucks. Nice little Polo Ralph Lauren, 1992. This is the reprint one, or the retro version. This isn't the new one. They want $18 for it. Gotta look up and see how much it goes for. H&M Nirvana, little hoodie, Divide. What year? 2019. Damn, this shirt is so cool. The big front print. It is from H&M Star Wars, but man, that print is so sick. Has a little Star Wars hit on the back. I feel like I could just rip off the tags and then sell it as is. Just came across this BMW M series shirt, size medium. A lot of people have been asking for size mediums. We found this Fajal Raven, $18 though. Gotta look up how much they go for. I know they're pretty expensive, but $18 is already pretty high. If it was like 10, I would definitely grab it. just came across this brand called Frame, and they actually had a pop-up in Miami, and the jeans were selling for like hundreds of dollars. So I may get these, just depending. I'm gonna have to look them up and see how they do on the resale value. Look at these insane yellow 501s, 32. I think I have to grab these. You guys know my favorite color is yellow. And then I did find these. I thought they were originally white and someone dyed them, but the inside tags are white, so it seems like they're like this. Like a pink acid wash Levi's 511. Yo, these are crazy. I feel like Maluma in these. Or like J Balvin. Another super pair. Super sick. Like a white pair of Air Forces, black shirt. Man, stop playing with them. As I was walking out, I saw these literally just sitting at the front. Foam posits. GS size 7Y. Paid $25 for them. Well, I ended up grabbing both pair of Levi's, the yellow and the pink ones. The foam posits, obviously. The BMW M Series shirt. The Star Wars big front shirt. What else did I get? I got the Mitchell & Ness jersey. I left the Phillies jersey because that ended up being fake, like a bootleg jersey. I ended up leaving the Frame denim because they actually had a hole in them. I'm trying to think of what else I got. I'm gonna be doing, tomorrow's gonna be like a what's for sale thrift haul that I'm just gonna show everything because I have so many items I need to show you guys. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So I'm not gonna show you obviously today. But yeah, we're gonna hit up one more Plato's Closet, then we're gonna go home, check on the little man, see how Captain's doing. Currently on the stock update, I literally just sold about 50% of my naked stock while I was inside Plato's. I was like checking out and I just happened to check on my app and I saw it was up to $1.42. Now I'm in naked at like 0.09, so I figured, you know what, it's been dropping like significantly. I should have sold it like 4 days ago when it was at $3 a share, but now it's at $1.42. I just sold it at $1.42. Now it's just back at $1.28. So you can tell that people are trying to break even or trying to make profit or just trying to get out of those stocks. Currently I'm trying to get out of GameStop as well. I'm still up profit. I'm waiting for another peak. I'm gonna see by market today how it closes. But yeah, just that's how I'm going, you know. We made a lot of money. Dogecoin I'm still holding. I could have made a lot of money, but I think Dogecoin is still on the beginning. I think we're gonna see another peak. So yeah, let's hit up next Plato's Closet though. Sadly no Guess striped shirt, just a Guess Los Angeles for $8. Man, that Plato's Closet was super dry. Literally didn't find anything, nothing good at all. Not even stuff I could show on film. There was like 4 sneakers in the section. Like, I don't know, it's always a hit or miss. And that's the Plato's Closet that we got the Supreme shirt, that we got the Bape jacket, that we got the Guess striped shirt. So it's like, I don't know, it's always a hit or miss, I guess. But I figured, you know what, on the way home, it's currently 11:20. I need to get some lunch in me, so I'm gonna pull up to Chipotle, get a nice little $8 burrito. You know, just get a quick lunch, and then I'm gonna go check on Captain. I'm gonna start doing laundry, packing, probably end the video once I get back home, show you guys Captain. You guys loved the video yesterday of Captain. You guys is so cute. And little man, and you have to think, obviously I'm making these videos for myself in the future too, you know. Obviously Jackson isn't here anymore, so it's nice to be able to look back on videos where Jackson's still around and, you know, Captain's still around, you know. When they're not here anymore, I want to have those memories. So that's the reason why mainly that I'm uploading, because they'll be on YouTube forever unless if I delete them or if YouTube decides to delete it. It's always gonna be memories for there. So I know a few people were like, oh, like, I don't want to see fucking Captain eat a puppuccino. And it's like, okay, I get it, dude. I did thrifting. Like, you could skip that part. It's all good. And as you guys see, let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys enjoy these vlog style thrifting, or do you guys want to go back to just Trip to the Thrifts, where I don't include eating, where I don't include Captain, my daily life, stocks, just stuff like that? You know, I figured these vlogs that I show everything is better than just a trip to the thrift or a trip to Plato's Closet. You kind of get everything in between. Like today, I went to the thrift store, I went to Plato's Closet, I'm gonna eat something, and then you guys are gonna see Captain. So it's like literally everything combined into one. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys like? You know, what videos do you guys want to see? What content do you guys want to see? So I got white rice, black beans, chicken, medium salsa, sour cream, and cheese. Where is he? Hey! Are you in Jackson's bed? Are you in Jackson's bed? Do you miss the big guy? You miss your brother Jackson? Yeah. You're a good boy. You wanna go outside? Let's go potty. Well guys, I have a lot of work to do. As you guys see, I have a huge mess behind me. I need to do laundry, I need to pack up some boxes. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's vlog. Smash the thumbs up button. Make sure you guys check out link down below, top of the description. Every purchase does help support these daily videos. You can pay with PayPal, credit card, debit card, or if you want to use Cash App, DM me on Instagram at DITR954. Again, I will see you guys tomorrow for another video, 8 p.m. And don't forget guys, let's get it.